Hi guys, it's Iona here from the Spoken Word Productions, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a BUNRAKU style of puppet. Now, BUNRAKU is very special. Its origins are from Japan, where the puppets are 2/3 the size like an average human. There are 3 puppeteers to puppeteer these kind of puppets. One for the head and the left arm, the second for the right arm and the body, and the third for the legs. Now, today ours is going to be based on Matilda the musical. Are you ready? Well, this is what you'll need. Some newspaper, a pair of scissors, and some masking tape. Now, sellotape does work, but masking tape does tend to be slightly easier to manipulate. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, and now we're ready to get started. So, what you need to do first is just take one sheet of the newspaper and put the rest of the side. And with the long side here facing towards you, we're going to scrunch it up all the way to the top. And this is the really fun part. We're going to scrunch our newspaper up nice and tight. Now, we're not trying to rip it, just give it lots of scrunches like so. Once you've done this, you need to make a head. This is going to be the head and the shoulders for our puppet. So, you need to fold your newspaper in half like so, and then you're going to try and work out how big you want your head. So I'm going to go about here. As you can see, we made a nice circle. These are going to be our 2 shoulders. So grab yourself some masking tape. Just need one bit. You might need some scissors for this bit, but with masking tape you normally can just rip it. Find your head again and pop the masking tape where your neck would be. Go nice and tight. There we go. Can you see our little head here? Perfect. Now these bits are going to be our shoulders, but we'll get to that in a minute. Now, you need to grab your newspaper again and take out one sheet. Then we're going to scrunch it up just as we did before. Now this time we're going to make a tummy and some legs. Tummy part needs to be slightly bigger than our head. And once again you're going to grab some masking tape. One strip should be plenty. And you're going to put the masking tape roughly where your hips would be. If that helps you to imagine where they need to be, then that's a good spot to imagine. There we go. And it's going to be our legs. Now, grab your other bit, and we're going to stick the body and the legs together. So, grab some more masking tape. Again, one strip should be plenty. And we're going to pop the first bit just here where the shoulder would be. You can make yours wherever you kind of want, but we're aiming for shoulders. We're then going to loop the masking tape through like so, you see, and then we're going to strap it over the top so you have a shoulder. Now I'm going to grab another bit of tape and do exactly the same on the other side. So going through the tummy, over the shoulder, and right back around. Like so. Can you see how it's looking like a person already? Great. Now, you need to make elbows. So, when you scrunch up the paper, sometimes you get a bit of a fold, like here. That would be perfect for an elbow. What you need to do is scrunch up just a bit more. And there is your elbow joint. Perfect. I'm going to do the same the other side. Here we have 2 elbows. We're going to make some hands. So just grab a really small little bit of tape and take the ends. Put it just around the end of your puppet's arms to make some little hands. Now we need some wrist joints. So here we have an elbow, and so we're going to fold this bit here, and there we have a hand. And there we have some hand joints. Now onto the legs. So you're going to bend some knee joints in. Can you see how it folds? Remember, knees go up and down and they can kick a ball. So you need to bend it this way, inwards, and the same with the other side. And try and make them the same place so your puppet can walk nicely. Now we're going to do the same with the feet and put a little bit of tape on to help our feet stay together. This one doesn't need to be so tight because feet tend to be a little bit flatter to walk on. Perfect. Same with this side. Bend the knee up. Put some tape on the foot. And now we need to find some ankles. So just before where you've put the tape, we're going to make a flat fold. And we should have a walking puppet. You have your feet, your knees, your hips, your tummy, shoulders, some hands, elbows and a head. And there we have it, our finished BUNRAKU puppet. Now I've decorated mine with a bow, but you can decorate yours however you wish. Maybe you can make a full outfit. Maybe this might be yours. Now to play with your puppet, you need to move all the different limbs and see what actions you can make. Maybe you can act out some of the songs. Now if there's two of you, you get to really make it move. One person gets to be the head puppeteer, and they put their right hand on the head and the left on the arm. And they get to control the actions. The other can put their hands on the legs and they get to make it walk. Make sure you swap over so everybody gets a go. Now, I can't wait to see what you get up to. So let me know in the comments below how you get on. And don't forget to follow us at Spoken Well Productions. That's at Spoken Well Productions. See you soon!